Have you recently moved to Canada and dream of starting your own business? Maybe you have always wanted to be your own boss, launch a small company, or turn your skills into a successful venture. The good news is that Canada offers incredible opportunities for entrepreneurs, including newcomers. But before you jump in, there are a few important things you need to know. In today's video, I'll walk you through 5 essential steps to help you start your business in Canada the right way. We'll cover legal requirements, business registration, taxes, funding opportunities, and much more. Hi everyone, I'm Khushi from Nexim Immigration. On this channel, you'll find regular updates and insights on Canada immigration, plus tips on studying and traveling abroad. And if you are new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest immigration updates and important announcements. So, if you are ready to turn your business idea into reality, keep watching. Step 1. Make sure you are legally allowed to start a business before investing your time and money. The first thing you need to check is whether you are legally allowed to operate a business in Canada. Your eligibility often depends on your immigration status. Canadian citizens and permanent residents generally have no restrictions, but if you are on a work permit or another temporary status, you should carefully review the conditions attached to your permit. Some permits may allow self-employment or business activities, while others may not. It's also important to remember that certain professionals and industries in Canada are regulated. Depending on your field, you may need specific licenses, certifications, or registrations before you can begin offering services. Since regulations can vary by province and territory, always check the requirements in your area before getting started. A little research now can save you a lot of headaches later. Step 2. Create a business plan and choose the right business structure. Once you have confirmed your eligibility, it's time to build a solid foundation for your business. And that starts with a business plan. Think of your business plan as your roadmap. It helps you define your goals, estimate costs, understand your target market, and plan your future growth. You will also need to choose a business structure. In Canada, 3 most common options are sole proprietorship, partnership, and corporation. Each structure has different legal and tax implications, so it's worth consulting a professional before making your decision. At this stage, market research is equally important. Understanding your customers, competitors, and industry trends will help you position your business effectively from day one. Step 3. Register your business and obtain necessary permits. Now that you have a plan, it's time to make your business official. This usually involves registering your business name and obtaining a business number from the appropriate government authority. Depending on your industry and location, you may also need specific licenses, permits, or approvals before you can legally operate. For example, a restaurant, daycare, or a construction company or healthcare related business may have additional requirements compared to other businesses. The exact rules can vary by province and municipality, so make sure you do your homework. If you are unsure about contracts, compliance requirements, intellectual property protection, or legal obligations, seeking professional legal advice can be a smart investment. Step 4. Understand taxes and employment responsibilities. Now, let's talk about something every business owner eventually faces: taxes. As a business owner in Canada, you'll have certain tax obligations. Depending on your revenue and business activities, you may need to register for and collect GST or HST. The Canada Revenue Agency, often referred to as the CRA, provides resources that can help small business owners understand their responsibilities, including tax filing and record keeping requirements. And if you are planning to hire employees, there are additional responsibilities to consider. You will need to comply with payroll regulations, employment standards, and workplace safety laws. Keep in mind that employment regulations vary across provinces, so it's important to understand the rules that apply where your business operates. Staying organized from the beginning will make tax season much less stressful. Step 5. Explore funding opportunities and financial support. Starting a business requires capital, and fortunately, Canada offers various funding opportunities for entrepreneurs. Many newcomers begin by using personal savings, family support, business loans, or lines of credit. In addition, there are government grants, funding programs, and business support initiatives designed to help entrepreneurs launch and grow their businesses. While not every business will qualify for every program, it's definitely worth researching what's available in your industry and region. If your business also involves importing or exporting products or services, you'll need to understand Canada's trade regulations and customs requirements. One final tip: keep your personal and business finances separate. Maintaining organized financial records not only simplifies tax reporting but also helps you monitor your business performance more effectively. What are your thoughts on starting a business in Canada as a newcomer? Have you considered entrepreneurship as part of your journey in Canada, or are you already planning to launch your own business? Let me know your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And if you'd like guidance on your immigration options, business pathways, or want to discuss your profile, feel free to connect with us through the link in the description. Visit neximvisa.com or email us at connect@neximvisa.com. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video. Take care.